Welcome to Nuer Language School. Before we proceed with this lesson, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new lesson, you can be notified. Let's begin this lesson with why didn't you come yesterday? Why didn't you come yesterday? Ngu mi kan ben keji pan. Ngu mi kan ben keji pan. Biel tiesha. Why didn't you come yesterday? Ngu mi kan ben keji pan. I wasn't feeling well. I wasn't feeling well. And she point the pole. And she point the pole. Okay? And she point the pole. I wasn't feeling well. And she point the pole. Or you can say, and can point the jigagwa. Later remove this. And, okay? Can point the jigagwa. And can point the jigagwa. I wasn't feeling well. And can point the jigagwa. Oh no, are you okay now? Oh no, are you okay now? On she jen ke she magwa. Simple, let's say chana larne she mi gwa. Are you okay now? Ka gwa I n teme. Ka gwa I n teme on she magwa. Ka gwa I n teme. Oh no, are you okay now? On she magwa. Ka gwa I n teme. Yes, much better, thanks. On ke you can say or on gwa along. On gwa you can say gwa along. She lost the teeth. On gwa along she lost the teeth. Yes, much better, thanks. On gwa along she lost the teeth. What happened to you? What happened to you? Ngu mi shi tuok ka ji. Ngu mi shi tuok ka ji. What happened to you? What happened to you mean ngu mi shi tuok ka ji. I had a bad headache. I had a bad headache. And sha teke jwe mi jia ke jwe mi dit. Okay, bad headache jwe mi jia ke and sha teke back which, let's say like that. And sha teke back which mi jack. I had a bad headache. And sha teke back which mi jack. I had a bad headache. And chateke back which mi jack. Did you see the doctor? Did you see the doctor? Jin she were could doctor. Okay, did you see the doctor? Jin she could doctor. No, I just took some rest. A and she long nihan. A and she long nihan. No, I just took some rest. A and she long nihan. No, I just took some rest. A and she long nihan. Comfortable. Comfortable. Gwa e kg. Comfortable. Gwa e kg. You missed a lot. You missed a lot. Jin she ti ngwan jaka leng. Jin she ti ngwan jaka leng. You missed a lot. Jin she ti ngwan jaka leng. Really? Like what? A pooch? A pooch? Shet kangu. Shet kangu. A pooch? Shet kangu. Really? Like what? A pooch? Shet kangu. we had a surprise guest. Con sha simply chana larne na con shwa ko te ke jal migay na. We had a surprise guest. Con shwa ko te ke jal migay nas. Oh no, who was it? Anga engine, or we can say oh no. On k o. Simple. Let's put o. Shejen. Shejen. Okay, we can put it here. Ka anga. Okay. Dong the chronology no. If you are new here, help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell, so when we upload a new lesson, you can be notified. Bye bye.